Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your hub for the smartest and most powerful tech gear on the market. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade camera built for serious creators, streamers, and production environments, the FoMaKo 4K60 FPS NDI PTZ Camera, K800N. If you've been looking for a reliable PTZ camera for live events, worship services, studios, or conferences, this one is a game changer. Let's break it down. First off, the FoMaKo delivers stunning 4K60 resolution, capturing ultra-smooth and detailed footage. Whether you're recording fast-paced movement or streaming live, every frame is crisp and professional-grade. This makes it an excellent choice for live broadcasting, sports, worship events, or even high-end video conferencing. Equipped with a 20x optical zoom lens, it allows you to capture close-up shots without losing clarity. You can zoom from wide-angle views to tight close-ups seamlessly, which is essential for covering everything from speakers on stage to audience reactions. Where the FoMaKo stands out is in its AI auto-tracking Gen 3 system. This advanced AI can automatically follow a subject, keeping them centered and in focus without the need for a camera operator. Whether it's a pastor moving across the stage, a teacher during a lecture, or a presenter during a live broadcast, the camera handles it all intelligently. Connectivity is another big win here. The K800N supports NDI 6 and NDI HX3, along with 3G SDI, HDMI, USB, LAN, and PO. This means it integrates effortlessly with streaming setups, switchers, and network-based production environments. And with PO, Power over Ethernet, you can run both power and video through a single cable, simplifying your setup. The camera is also built for versatility. You can mount it on a tripod, ceiling, or wall, and control it remotely via IP, joystick controller, or software. Its smooth PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom functionality ensures broadcast-level movements without jerks or delays. For churches, studios, or live events, reliability is everything. The FoMaKo is designed for continuous operation, delivering stable performance during long sessions. Combine that with its crystal-clear 4K output, seamless AI tracking, and flexible connectivity, and you have one of the best PTZ cameras available in its class. So, if you're looking to elevate your production value, the FoMaKo 4K60 NDI PTZ camera is a powerhouse worth every penny. Check out the link below for more details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pro-level tech reviews here on Gadgetverse.